on with our next.
Someone's at the door. I'll get it. Come in!
Make them stop. Make them stop.
Okay, guys. Hey, no. Hey, come on.
Just egging them on, and the scientists in Northern California said that was a 7.6 on the Richter scale. Now, stop that right now. You moms and dads might participate in some nice, positive way, like reaching over and giving them one of those.
Hey, that's not very nice.
Moms and dads sitting over here just because it's free going,
Well, I'm glad you came.
Stop! Stop that. I can't stand it when people cough. You'll get germs on me. Turn around.
Well, wait a minute. I want to ask you something. Which is worse? A whole series of little coughs or one big cough?
They're both revolting. You're a bad example to these little twerps and twerpettes out here. And they're both unsanitary, I might add.
Hey, you want to know what's really blows the germs around?
What?
A big sneeze.
Don't you dare. You disgust me. Now, you stop that right now. I'm going to tell somebody about that because the Board of Health is not going to accept this label.
Hey, I'll tell you what could really start an epidemic. A series of little coughs followed by a big cough and ending up with a huge sneeze.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Nice example you are. Stop that right now.
No.